Hola, 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 Shapfiri Uzet Mzansi. Thank you for tuning into Everything SAD Ski on this one. Today we bring you the latest news that's coming in from Orlando Pirates. But before we jump straight ahead with the news, please make sure that you smash that subscribe button, send notification bell, leave your thought, comment down below the section. And if you are a returning subscriber, shout out to you for showing the channel Rato because the Rato never left the building. On this one, we have Popodi Popo, some know him as Pop Champagne, is the next in line. Another parents, youngsters touted following the steady rise of a teenage sensation, Cameron Denson, in the Orlando Pirates first team. This season, another highly rated youngster could be edging closer to the senior breakthrough at the Soweto Giants. The Everything SA news journalist understands that Mpopopo Padimi, one of the standout performers in the club's youth structures, is increasingly viewed as the next academy product ready to make the leap. Like many promising talents in the Pirates development system, Padima has been closely monitored by the technical team and has already enjoyed a few opportunities to train with the first team. Those internal assessments appear to be paying off, with the 18-year-old midfielder delivering a staggering of eyeing catching performances in the DDC, which is known as a DSTV Diski Challenge. Under coach Kerling, Parima has been instrumental in helping the Buccaneers reserves to climb to the top of the DDC table this season. His consistency, tacticality, intelligence, and maturity have earned strong praises from the coach, who describes him as one of the most advanced midfielders of his age in the group in the country as well. Within the club, Popo is already being tipped as a potential next graduate to emulate the success of recent first team promotions such as Rebuheli Mfokeng, Mohaung Kota, and Begezeli Mbogazi. His blend of technicality, sharpness, aggression in midfield, and ability to dictate the games has caught the eye of decision makers at the club. Significantly, first team coach Edlisim Odwado continues the tradition set by his producer Jose Rivera in showing strong belief in young players. With Denson already making strides, there is growing expectation that Padima may not be far behind, especially if he maintained the current trajectory in the DDC, while Padima focus remains on helping the reserve side push for honors. If his rapid development continues, it may only be a matter of time for before Pirates fans see another academy gem stepping onto the big stage. Please let me know what you think about this news down below the comment section. Don't forget to smash your subscribe button. From your boy Isaac Waiso Nice Umtaru Jumba. City Hawe Ma Ngoba Yini Iqim Shalale.
Tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Bele. Oh, that's goal bound. That is